Bird baby alphabet A to Z. A albatross chick. A baby albatross is called a chick. Albatross chicks grow big before learning to fly over the ocean. B. Bluebird nestling. A baby bluebird is called a nestling when it's still in the nest. They depend on their parents to bring them worms and bugs. C. Crow fledgling. A baby crow is called a fledgling when it's learning to fly. Fledglings hop around and practice using their wings. D. Dove squab. A baby dove is called a squab. Squabs stay in the nest until they grow feathers and can fly. E. Eagle eaglet. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. Eaglets grow up in big nests called eyries and learn to soar in the sky. F. Flamingo chick. A baby flamingo is called a chick. Flamingo chicks are born white or gray and turn pink as they grow. G. Goose gosling. A baby goose is called a gosling. Goslings follow their parents around and learn to swim in ponds. H. Hawk ibises. A baby hawk is called an ibis. Ibises grow up learning to hunt small animals with their sharp talons. I. Ibis chick. A baby ibis is also called a chick. Ibis chicks stay in their nests until they are strong enough to wade in the water. J. Jay fledgling. A baby jay, like a blue jay, is called a fledgling when it leaves the nest. They are curious and love hopping around in trees. K. Kestrel ibises. A baby kestrel is called an ibises, just like a baby hawk. Kestrel chicks grow quickly and become skilled hunters. L. Loon chick. A baby loon is called a chick. Loon chicks ride on their parents' backs while swimming in lakes. M. Macaw chick. A baby macaw is called a chick. Macaw chicks are born featherless and rely on their parents for food. N. Nightingale fledgling. A baby nightingale is called a fledgling when it starts to fly. Fledglings are known for their early attempts at singing. O. Owl owlet. A baby owl is called an owlet. Owlets have fluffy feathers and big eyes that help them see in the dark. P. Penguin chick. A baby penguin is called a chick. Penguin chicks huddle together to stay warm in cold weather. Q. Quail chick. A baby quail is called a chick. Quail chicks are tiny and love running after their parents. R. Robin nestling. A baby robin is called a nestling when it's in the nest. Nestlings grow up eating worms brought by their parents. S. Swan cygnet. A baby swan is called a cygnet. Cygnets are fluffy and gray before turning into elegant white swans. T. Toucan chick. A baby toucan is called a chick. Toucan chicks are born in nests inside tree holes. U. Umbra labird chick. A baby umbra labird is also called a chick. Chick umbrella birds stay in their nests high in the trees. V. Vulture chick. A baby vulture is called a chick. Vulture chicks stay in their nests until they are strong enough to soar in the sky. W. Woodpecker nestling. A baby woodpecker is called a nestling when it's still in the nest. They wait for their parents to bring food like insects. X. Xenops chick. A baby xenops is called a chick. Xenops chicks grow up in nests made inside tree trunks. Y. Yellowhammer chick. A baby yellowhammer is called a chick. They are fed seeds and insects by their parents. Z. Zebra finch chick. A baby zebra finch is called a chick. Zebra finch chicks are tiny and grow quickly with the help of their parents.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what